This land has been in our family since 1913. Our grandfather envisioned the land as a quarry, and its rock and sand was used to build the Trent Canal. As a child, I walked this land frequently with my grandfather. Our family have continued this tradition. In 1959, our father inherited this property and entered into a contract with the Department of Lands and Forests, who planted fir trees in the sandy area. In 1999, my sister and I, Susan and I, inherited the land of 83 acres. We have been the custodians until now. We respect and endorse the activities of the Couchiching Conservancy, and we feel it's time to turn the land over to the Conservancy for protection. Since our grandfather was a legend in this community, we felt leaving it as a legacy to him was a suitable acknowledgement. And we're pleased that over the years so many people have walked the trail on this land. And we encourage and hope that people will continue to enjoy the trails on this property. So thank you.